In the previous video, I did create the first app local repository, and I had one commit in there, and this was the commit number. So what I will do is I will first check git log, and then I will check the git status. So we are currently on branch master. So I will just do a drawing of this. So imagine there is this master branch, and we have our file A and file B committed on this master branch. Imagine this blue dotted line is a commit number. For the sake of this demo, what I will do is I will make a small change to one of the files. So what I will do is I will go to file B, and I'm file B version 1, right? So I go back to my command prompt and add this file, and then I say git commit -m updated file B. So now we have two commits. So in the first commit, we had both file A and file B, and in the second commit, which we just saw recently, we just had updated file B and made it to file B version 2. So if you go here, sorry, I meant file B version 1. Now what I will do is, so if I go back to my diagram here, in the first commit, we had file A and file B, and the second commit is the one where we added version 1 at the end. So assume this master branch is the production branch code, and there is a new feature which dev team needs to work on. So we will create a new branch here. I will call the branch feature 1. For that, if you type git status, you can see that you're still on master branch though. So to switch to feature branch, what you'll have to do is you have to write git checkout feature 1, and now we are switched to feature 1 branch. And now if you check the git status here, you can see that you're on branch feature 1. So when you switch the branches, the files in your local system, the local machine actually changes. So what I mean is, for instance, if you had some change in your master branch and then you switch to another branch, say in this case feature 1, the files pertaining to feature 1 will be on your local drive and not the master one, So basically the files keeps on refreshing based on the branch you are in. So I will show you this in the demo, so it will be much more clearer. So currently I'm in the feature 1 branch now. So what I will do is I will go to file B, and I will call it feature, right? I will save it. And if I now go to git log, you can see that the head is pointing to feature 1 and master 2, this particular commit number, because nothing is committed currently, right? So in the feature branch. So now what I will do is git add file b.txt and git commit -m file b updated in feature branch version 1 features, right? So now if you check the git log, you can see that the head is now one step ahead in the feature branch. It's pointing to this particular commit number, which had the v1 feature changes. Our master branch is one step behind, and origin master is one further step behind. And if you navigate here, you can see this has the feature 1, right? And keep focusing here on the right side. You will see that when I switch the branch, the files refresh. So I will switch to master branch, and see it got refreshed here. So if I go back and come back in here again, so it has the old changes, not the latest one which the branch had. So I will switch back again to my feature 1 branch, right? And here, if you can see, you will have the feature thing again here. Now what I will do is I will update file A2, just so that I can see the green tick mark. I go back and come back in here again. So file A version 1 feature, right? And I will make another commit now. Now if you check the logs, you can see head is pointing to the latest commit. Master is now 2 steps behind, and origin master is even further down it. So so head is the main pointer. So it tells you where in the current branch, where are you currently working? So in the feature one branch, we are currently on this one because this was the latest commit we did. But if you switch back to master branch, you will still be on these changes, whatever we had here, and those two changes won't be there. So now I will depict the same thing in the diagram. So after this commit, imagine we got a new requirement and we are developing a new feature. So we pull out a branch, we create a new branch called feature one, and in here, I'll put it here, we made a commit on this, and then after a while we put a commit on file A. So what I mean here is, you know how we first updated file B with file B version 1 with feature. So this is that change, and then we also updated file A, and this is this commit number here. And so far we haven't merged this back in. So I will show you how to merge this feature one branch back into master, and the easiest way to do that. So the easiest way is fast forward merge. But the catch there is that in the fast forward merge, after creating the new branch, there should not be any changes in the master branch. So what I mean is, in this diagram, you saw that we updated file A, file B, and then we updated file B, all good. We created a new branch here and then only worked on the branch. No one actually updated anything in the master branch. So we can quickly merge the feature one branch back into master by using fast forward merge. We will see that how to do in my next video.